Barbie at the beach, in a stylish room, at a fashion show, or on the set of Game of Thrones? Let your Barbie try any role with amazing themed backdrops. Find out how to arrange a creative photo shoot for your dolls in our new video. Barbie model scout Ginger is working on new projects in her photo studio. Samantha has heard a lot about the famous photographer and wants to arrange an exclusive photo shoot for her dolls. She isn't satisfied with the decor Ginger proposes to her. Her dolls deserve outstanding backdrops. Then, Ginger suggests producing an exclusive interior design for Barbie. Paint a square piece of Styrofoam pink. Coat another piece with a darker shade. And decorate it with patterned paper. Hot glue a base for a backdrop. Paint a paperclip case gold. Add an artificial flower. A bright wall is a perfect example of an up-to-date design. The vase and the flower look amazing, but there is definitely something missing here. Then, Ginger adds a coffee table and a clock. Cut out a circle of Styrofoam. Hot glue it to an empty thumbtack cup. Stick golden thumbtacks along the edge of another Styrofoam circle. Draw digital hatch marks using markers. Add hands. The clock makes a fine wall centerpiece, but the table and the flower still look lonely in this room. Then Ginger gets down to business more seriously. Samantha really likes this sketch. Prick the top fastening of a broken globe stand using a heated awl. Hot glue the stand. Spray paint it gold. Open a clear plastic ball. Fasten chain to 1/2. Hang the piece onto the stand. Hot glue a strip of jersey fabric. Turn it right side out. Stuff it with cotton and hot glue the cushion. Dip a pencil into fabric paint and make polka dots on the cushion. Cut a carpet out of faux fur. Take out the inside part of a golden cap of a face cream container. Put the cap onto the table. Fill it with pompoms. Add one more cushion to the backdrop. Ginger created a fashionable living room. Samantha would love to have a room like this for herself. And the doll swing chair is a perfect accent for photos. Samantha appreciates this idea. Ginger needs creative inspiration. She scrolls through different locations and she finally finds it. The photo artist creates a summery backdrop. It's sand and sunshine. Cut wooden snack forks. Hot glue them to 2 coffee stirrers. Fasten a base for a sun lounger, a seat, and a back. Hot glue pieces of coffee stirrers to make frames. And attach them as the lounge chair's legs. Cut wooden ice cream bar sticks. And glue a little beach table. Cover a cocktail umbrella with decorative straw. Trim the straw along the edges. Paint a base of a little globe stand white. Stick in a cocktail straw and put in the umbrella. Cut a big box. Tape a printed picture of a beach to the side. Pour in some sand. Decorate the beach with seashells and a toy flamingo. Place the furniture, the chase lounge, the table with a tiny drink, and the umbrella. What a hot photo backdrop! It's so detailed! Just look at this comfy sun lounger, a little table, and even an umbrella for shade. Samantha's doll immediately wants to lie on the comfortable lounge chair. Hold on! These shoes won't work on sand. You need slide sandals. Trace the soles of doll shoes on a makeup sponge. Cut them out. And hot glue pieces of an elastic cord to make slide sandals. Barbie changes her shoes, but her beach look isn't complete yet. Put on a bright hat to protect her from the sun. Trim a plastic sink filter with a heated knife. Coat it with bright acrylic paint. Attach a satin ribbon and an artificial flower. Now you can stretch out on the comfy lounge chair and relax under the beach umbrella. And in order to cool down your drink, let's make a cooler bag. Coat a little travel salt and pepper container with acrylic paint. Label it ice and attach a strip of faux leather as a strap for the cooler bag. The beach photo backdrop is all done. We can shoot now. Ginger made a sparkling photo backdrop. A doll in a pale pink dress will be outshined by it, but it will be perfect for a stylish Barbie with turquoise hair in a purple dress. Take a ready corner photo backdrop. Cover the sides with gold sequin fabric. Add a logo attached to a piece of styrofoam. Fold a piece of purple fabric in half. Cut out a neckline and glue a triangular cut. Put the long dress onto a doll. Gather it around the waist and fasten it with a strip of a golden foam rubber sheet. The fashionista doll looks excellent on the glittering catwalk, which easily transforms into a beautiful sky with stars and a gold moon in the clouds. Take 3 sheets of bookboard or medium-density fiberboard, 2 rectangles and 1 square. Cover them with gray cardboard and glue them together to make a corner backdrop. Coat the edges with silver acrylic paint. Cut a moon out of styrofoam. Paint it yellow. Coat it with white glue and sprinkle it with glitter. Secure the glitter with hairspray. Cut a cloud out of gray cardboard. Coat it with white glue and attach cotton. Make a few clouds. Wrap them in LED lights. Hot glue fishing line to the pieces. Decorate the sides of the photo backdrop with stars. Tie the moon in the clouds to a ruler and put it onto the corner of the backdrop. This sky photo backdrop would be perfect for the romantic redhead model in a pale pink dress. It's so dreamy! But Ginger's talent combined 2 looks. The top model and the dreamer strike poses together against the bright, magical backdrop. The dolls aren't the only ones dreaming about a photo shoot like this. Even regular girls dream about it too. Samantha has an unusual doll. She's the star of Game of Thrones. Her dress and hairdo deserve the throne for sure. Fold blue fabric in half. Cut it. Fasten 2 strips with clear hair ties. Make 2 straps using wire. Put the dress onto a doll and fasten it with a chain to make a cross. Braid the hair into Daenerys' iconic hairdo. Cut a big sponge. Hot glue it to make an armchair. Cut an oval back. Put the foam rubber throne onto paper. Cover the seat and the arms with thin strips of double-sided foam tape. Stick a few plastic snack swords into the back and cover the entire surface of the back with them. Use hot glue. Decorate the arms and the bottom of the throne with swords. Cut out the paper following the slanted strips of tape. Coat the throne with black spray paint. Add accents with a brush and bronze acrylic paint. Place a plastic paper tray vertically. Cover it with fabric and put the throne and the doll onto the backdrop. Daenerys takes her throne by right. Samantha suggests adding a few dragon eggs. Ginger disagrees since dragons are unpredictable. Maybe a seashell from the narrow sea. Nope. A little dragon for the Queen of Dragons? It's cute, but too much. Then Samantha sneaks in a spider. Ah! Ginger hates it. The Queen's look has to be neat. Daenerys shines on her throne. Ginger looks through the photos and remembers the start of her career. Back then, she could make a backdrop out of whatever she had lying around. For example, out of fruits. Coat 12-inch squares of Styrofoam with acrylic paint. Hot glue them onto a backdrop base and fasten them with toothpicks. Stick toothpicks into the wall and attach pieces of orange, grapefruit, kiwi, and pineapple onto them. The secret is that you have to arrange fruits into a nice composition. Be sure not to stain the doll model with the juice. The photos turn out so summery, and Barbie looks so happy. Ginger used to do origami, and she could turn herself into a queen in just 3 seconds. This proves she's a talented photographer because she can easily turn paper both into a crown and into a star-studded backdrop. Draw strips divided into same segments on colored cardboard. They will be star templates. Cut them out. Bend a strip at the marks. Fold it into an accordion and glue it into a star. Trace the silhouette of a different star on a glittering foam rubber sheet. Cut it out. Glue the stars to a sheet of thick white cardboard. Attach little clay balls inside the star. Coat the inside of the next star with white glue and sprinkle it with glitter. Color the inside of a few more stars with acrylic paint. Bend the bottom of the backdrop. Glue it onto another sheet of cardboard. Bend the cardboard so that it stands still. And glue a block folded out of cardboard to the back. A few more details and the star-studded backdrop is all done. And Ginger will open her own photo salon. Did you like our stylish Barbie backdrops? Then write in the comments what kind of photo shoot you would arrange for your dolls. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new photo hacks on Troom Troom.